Check out this high beam flashlight by OLIGHT, and this is the Baton 4 Pro model. Check out their website for more information on different products. Follow these quick steps. Unscrew and remove the insulating film to activate the battery. Fully recharge the flashlight before use. Operation instructions to choose which mode it has. Specifications: the max output of 1600 lumens, carries a 3500 mAh battery. Also inside the box, a magnetic charge cable, a self-adhesive wall mount stand for the flashlight, and this super lightweight robust built Baton 4 Pro flashlight. Twist the bottom to locate the charge Type-C slot. Unscrew the top and take off the film. The lithium-ion battery is rechargeable. Do not expose the battery or device in direct sunlight. Fully charge before use. Right, let's follow and show you the flashlight modes. The front indicators will show you the battery power and brightness. 1 second hold gives you the moonlight mode. Double press for turbo mode, which I believe is the max output. Press then hold for different brightness modes. There is also a lock feature. Press and hold for 2 seconds to lock. To unlock, press and hold for 1 second. Triple press for the strobe lighting effect. This is the tail switch. Press once for normal brightness. And double press for the turbo mode, which gives you the max output. Overall guys, it's a perfect flashlight to have when you're out on your adventures or any other general use. Stay safe, peace.